Hi guys, what's up? Hope you guys are doing great. Welcome back to our channel. Right now we are outside our alma mater, which is Christ University Bannerghatta Road Campus, and we are majorly missing it.
So guys, as we promised you people, we will be showing you the best student accommodations around Christ University BGR Campus.
Yes, we are on the hunt for it. Come, let's check out some more PGs. After an amazing walk, we are on the very famous Simmers Lane, and right now we are outside Shyam Stay. Shyam Stay is very known for its student accommodations. They have been around Christ University Bannerghatta Road Campus since 2018. Currently, they hold 5 properties, both for boys and girls. Even these 2 buildings that you see, they are both of Shyam Stay itself. This property is the hostel style of rooms, and the other property are the student apartment rooms. Shyam Stay also has other properties across Bangalore. Let's go check out their property. Hi, sir.
Hi, bye.
So guys, we have Mr. Shubham, who's the owner of Shyam Stay here around Bannerghatta Road Campus.
Guys, welcome to Shyam Stay. I'll give you a tour of the property.
Come, let's go guys.
This is the dining area.
Okay, so guys, this is the dining area.
This is exclusive to the 4 students of this property.
Okay. At the same time, guys, here there is microwave and induction.
Also there's a music system in case someone wants to listen to music while eating.
Right, and this is where the food will be served.
Let me show you the kitchen where the food is prepared.
Alright, okay.
This looks very hygienic.
Wow, this looks very hygienic, neat and tidy.
Okay, so the best part about Shyam Stay is we serve pure vegetarian food, and the entire food is prepared here. It doesn't come from any centralized kitchen, so that the quality is maintained, the taste is maintained. And let me tell you a fun fact. We are operating these PGs in Bannerghatta Road since 2018, and our observation says that other than PG students, we have almost 70 to 80 students coming every year from other PGs and Christ Hostel just to have the food here. So we have come up with another concept of a restaurant which is for students, providing pure vegetarian food, a homely food which includes thalis and many more kinds of chaats, parathas.
Wow, that's really very good. So we'll take the tour of the rooms.
Yes, please.
Okay, sure.
This is the single sharing room.
Okay guys, so let's take a tour of the single sharing room. So there is a double bed, even though it's a single sharing room, so there's a lot of space for you to sleep on. It has this very cute periwinkle color. Here are 2 cupboards, there's a lot of space to store. There's 1 drawer that can be locked, so to keep all your specifics and anything important. Then of course the mirror. Another thing about this room is they have 2 study tables along with more storage on the top to keep anything in. Moving on to the most important part, the washroom. Here is the washroom. There's a wash basin, a mirror, shower, a geyser, and your WC. Looks pretty neat for 1 person. This is very spacious. And not to miss out, of course, they provide a TV along with your room. So you get to watch your TV while sitting on your bed.
So is this the double sharing room?
Yes, this is the double sharing room.
Come guys, I'll give you a tour of the double sharing room. So just like the single sharing room, this is a very spacious room. They have 2 beds here. At the same time, you will be provided with a cupboard, a study table that side, and for this bed, the study table, the cupboard will be this side. Guys, another great part is that they have storage above the study table also, so you can keep all your books and everything here. As I'm being told, under the beds as well, there's a lot of storage. So for any of the essentials that you don't require, you can just remove your mattress and store the goods here. And whenever you want, you can take them up. There's also a TV. I'll quickly give you a tour of the washroom. Alright, so this is the washroom, guys. They have a WC here. They have the bathing area. Not to miss the geyser. And then the wash basin here. Very, very spacious and very decent and neat and tidy rooms. This is the common area, sir?
Yes, this is the common area. And we have a few gym equipments here. And this room is going to be converted to a recreational center where you have bean bags, books kept for students, and something like Netflix and chill.
Right. Okay, so guys, this is the work in progress room right now, and very, very soon before you guys join, this is going to be with green grass around, with bean bags, and this is going to be that area where you can come, get your friends and chill.
Yes. And there'll be books around if you want to sit around and read or just chill.
So by the time we come next time, I think that all will be ready, right, sir?
Yes.
Sure. Guys, we are on the terrace of Shyam Stay Property, and there is something very, very cool and unique that I want to show you. Come here. This is our very own Christ University Bannerghatta Road campus.
It literally feels like I can almost touch it. Like it's so close.
Another very cool thing for all those who don't know, the metro is just coming about to be. So in a few years time, that's going to be ready. And there you have the Royal Meenakshi Mall. Guys, on this terrace is used majorly for washing purposes. So there you can see the washing machine and you can dry your clothes here. Guys, we are on the Hulimavu Road, which is 7 minutes walk from the Christ University Bannerghatta Road campus, and we are here to tour the Shyam Stay's boys properties. So come, let's go.
So guys, now we are in the common area. As you can see, this is the place you can come just to chill, relax. There are games, beautiful thoughts on the wall, place to sit and read or study. Just sit with your friends on the green bags, play carom, and of course, a lot more books to read and study. Even semester 1 books from Christ. I actually have studied this book.
Guys, but that's not it. We'll take you to the rooms now. Come, let's go.
So guys, first we are going to tour that double sharing room. So come, let's go. And here it is. First, there are 2 beds and a beautiful side table right in the middle of them. Also, 2 study tables on the either side of their bed. Coming now to the storage and the cupboards. Here's the cupboard. It's a huge cupboard for 1 person, along with 1 drawer that can be locked for any kind of delicate stuff that you might be carrying. There's a small TV, so you can just sit on your bed and watch the TV. Now moving on to the bathroom. Here's the bathroom. Looks pretty neat. So here we have a wash basin, mirror of course, the WC, the shower, and of course the geyser to heat your water as per your liking.
Come guys, I'll give you a tour of the single sharing room. This is the single sharing room. is one bed, which is a double-sized bed, but it's going to be used by one person. They have a window with a decent view, but most importantly, ventilation, which is important. Then there are these full-fledged cupboards. They're double covered for one person. So for one person, this is great. Then you have a mini TV here, a side table, as well as a study table, which is great. Like for one person, I'm saying it again and again, but this is super good. I'll tour the washroom. Alright. Okay, so even the washrooms are very, very spacious. So you have a WC, the bathing area here, the geyser, and the wash basin here.
So guys, now we are going to see their other common area. As I said, that wasn't the only one.
Yes, so this is again on the rooftop of the boys PG at Shyam Stay.
So first of all guys, just like the girls PG, you have an induction and a microwave if you want to reheat anything for yourself at any point. Again, just like the girls, you have a buffet system here as well. So all your food is kept here and is warm to be eaten at any time. And of course, this is the seating area for the boys.
Guys, even the boys will be provided with 4 meals, breakfast, lunch, dinner and evening snacks. That is not it. Another very cool thing that I want to show you is that they have a proper pool table here, which looks very, very fancy. And at the same time, they have a projector, so you can play pool and enjoy watching IPL or any of the sports tournaments that you are a big fan of watching. One last thing, but I really love views, and from the rooftop here, the view of the Arikere lake looks amazing and very serene. You have the high-rise buildings of Bangalore as well as the clouds, which are very complimentary in Bangalore. All of this just looks very, very good, yeah. If you think that the view from the common area was good, we came on the uppermost terrace of Shyam Stay Boys property, and the view from here is amazing to another level. I have literally no words.
So guys, it's snacks time here, and today in snacks there is Maggie. It's just so well suited for the weather today.
Exactly, guys. We are almost towards the end of our tour here at Shyam Stay. So I'm pretty sure you would be wanting to know about information. So we've gathered all the information that you need. In terms of facilities, they provide you each and everything from Wi-Fi, electricity, TVs in the room. You have washing services, everything that you need. In terms of security, there are guards that are available. There's a dorm warden, there are CCTV cameras. So everything is there.
So coming to their rules and regulations, they are very flexible with their deadlines and very, very student supportive. Now, if you know, you know.
If you know what we mean. Guys, in terms of the cost, they start from 16,000 rupees per month per individual and go up to 25,000 rupees for single sharing. This is both same for boys and girls. They take a 10,000 rupees maintenance charge, which is a lifetime charge. So if you're staying with them for like 2 years, 3 years, so you just have to pay that one time 10,000 rupees, and they take a 3-month deposit. I will be putting down the details in the description below of Shyam Stay and the number of Shubham sir, so you guys can directly reach out to him if you want to book up this place. Plus at the same time, you are allowed, just like us, to take a tour of their property if you're coming around Christ University Bannerghatta Road campus.
Please make sure to come and have a tour here as well.
Yeah, guys, I'm enjoying the Maggie and the view. But thank you so much. We are almost towards the end. We wish you all the very best. Please like this video if you like this video. Please comment below if you have any doubts, questions, queries specifically about Shyam Stay. I would love to answer that.
Please share this video with your friends to let them know about this amazing property here. And also, please subscribe to our channel.
And press the bell icon. Yes, please guys, don't forget to do that. See you soon with another video, guys. Bye-bye.
Bye.